Hello everyone! Today I want to introduce you to the new LITA Carrier Board for robotics and autonomous vehicles. This is the version 2.92. This carrier is compatible with the line of NVIDIA Jetson processors, Jetson Nano, Jetson Xavier NX, and the new Jetson TX2 NX. This board was designed for robotic application, thinking specifically mobile robot with artificial intelligence and computer vision. On the top side, we have the soldering slot for the Jetson module, a mini HDMI, and USB OTG to do the flash and to put the operating system, the buttons recovery and reset, the serial port for debugging and to access to the console for any inconvenience while boot the operating system, and the power supply connector with the support of up to 36 volts. In terms of connectivity, the carrier board has an Ethernet connector, a CANBUS interface specifically to work in two modes, CANBUS compatible until 1 megabits and CAN-FD with a speed until 5 megabits. One of the most interesting features of LITA Carrier Board is the GPS with depth recognition that provides an IMU to localize the device. The last peripheral of this lateral is the Bluetooth module 5.0. For the human-machine interface, we have a pin header to connect the microphone and speakers. Finally, on this primary side, the board has a 2 USB 3.0 connector. On the secondary side, the LITA Carrier Board has other of his main features, the 4 camera connectors with 2-lane MIPI CSI-2 each one, compatible with Raspberry Pi 2.1 cameras. We have one connector for modules M2KB, specifically for modem 3G, 4G and 5G, or Wi-Fi module. The slot for the SIM card and SD card is on the top left of the board. With this description, we complete all the connectors that we have on this board. A device that integrates all the peripherals for robotic application on a board with an incredible form factor of 137 for 65 mm, the smallest in the industry. An incredible computer ready to use in artificial intelligence products. You can get your LITA Carrier Board from the barovehicles.com shop or the RoboShop marketplace. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content and tutorials about the LITA Carrier Board. See you next time.